MACH is microservices, API first, cloud native and headless. Businesses want to see agility, they want things to go faster, and they don't want to worry about mundane tasks that aren't differential for their business, like scaling a system. If you can just have a system that stays up, that scales to demand, and you don't have to worry about it, you can be getting on with something more important. And it's actually getting rid of those distractions that is really the driver for the MACH and composable way of doing things. I think it allows us to bring all of the skills together that we have across the whole Wunderman Thompson Commerce and Technology group. It allows us to be creative, and it allows us to deliver a solution that's more than the sum of its parts. That's very exciting for us. I think the real driver here is to take away some of the things that were previously distractions for business, like scaling, like managing big releases. We can have dynamic environments that come up for testing and go away again. We don't have to worry about scaling for Black Friday in the way that we used to by adding extra servers or extra capacity. And so MACH takes away those problems, and it allows you to focus on things like, how fast can we release new features? How do we stay ahead of the competition? And I think that's why it's so appealing for business. It allows us to deliver the kind of solutions that I think a few years ago we couldn't. We can deliver amazing agility, we can deliver flexibility, we can get features into production faster than we ever could before. So I think nearly a decade ago was probably the first project that you could now describe as MACH. We did a project for T-Mobile US, collecting data from their handsets. At peak, I think we were collecting just over 1 million events a second through that. We couldn't have done that without a microservices architecture. We broke it down, we scaled it. Everything in there was API first, and we really heavily pushed the cloud. We pushed some of AWS's regions pretty hard on that project. And that was, I think, the start of our understanding of MACH. We've then been able to apply that to project after project, because once you've done 1 million events a second, everything else seems pretty easy. I think what I would say to an organization with a big investment in their existing estate is that your MACH journey doesn't mean that your existing investment has to go to waste. What you need is to plan that journey so that you get the best out of MACH, but you also deliver the best value out of what you've got. And for that, I would say you need a partner who understands not only the MACH technology, but also the technology that you already have. By planning that journey carefully and by using MACH to deliver targeted value first, and then to work its way back into your estate, we can leverage what you've got to deliver value, and we can get value from MACH at the same time. And that's where the real magic happens. If you're an organization that hasn't yet started on your MACH journey, then it can be daunting, and you could be nervous about doing that. You may feel we don't have time to make any mistakes on our way. It's not a big jump, it's a journey. We want to take it step by step, and we want to have the business comfortable with each step as we go. So as a customer, whether you're enthusiastic or apprehensive about your MACH journey, Wunderman Thompson Commerce and Technology can help you deliver at the right speed in the right way.